Good morning, dear audience. This is Ramman Abbasi from Askaria School and College Girls Wing Saddar campus. Today, the main theme of this video is about the cleaning secrets for a clean and tidy home. So, if you have kids and pets in your house, then there will be days when your house will be really messy. But playing with them is pretty much fun. But cleaning the house after all the risks is a different story. Whether or not you need to hire domestic cleaners depends on how dirty your house is. And if you are willing to clean the house on yourself, here are a few tips that you should know to have a spotless home. Number one, follow the right cleaning direction. You should follow the right cleaning direction, and also experts also suggest that you should first of all clean all the upper portion first so that all the dust falls on the surface before you vacuum the floor. Number two, use multi-purpose cleaners. Do you have a cabinet in your home in which you have different cleaning products, each made for a specific reason? If that's the case, you need to replace them with multi-purpose cleaners because they are the best. Number three, you go all natural. There are three things in your kitchen which can clean all your house. These are baking soda, lemon, and vinegar. You know, baking soda and vinegar can clean all the stubborn stains and stench all over the surfaces and also on your clothes. And lemon boosts their cleaning energy or cleaning power. Lemon also removes all the stubborn stains on the surfaces and give your home a fresh lemony scent. Last but not the least, number four, make a cleaning checklist. Many underestimate the power of creating a cleaning checklist, but making a cleaning checklist is the best, because by assigning some tasks to the specific family members is the best way to keep your things organized. You should follow all the steps and you should see the results because they are the best, and you'll be surprised just like I was. Thank you.